guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kriti and today's video is going to be a hairdo with Balenciaga. But before we get into the video, let me give you a short preview on my blog Balenciaga. So my today's video is for those whose hair have completely lost life, are completely dull, they are falling, they have no shine in them left and they're completely worn out, like completely damaged hair. This hair mask, guys, is for y'all because it's going to really hydrate your hair, it's going to give it its shine, it's going to give it its life back, it's going to prevent hair fall, it's going to give you all the treatment that you need to get your hair back to normal. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. So in today's hair mask, what we are using is yogurt. I have about 4 spoons of yogurt with me in this big bowl that I have with me over here. In this, we are going to be mixing 1 spoon of olive oil. Now yogurt, of course, is going to give you all the hydration that you need for your scalp to make it look really nice and smooth and, you know, give your scalp that treatment. And olive oil, again, here is for an added hydration, which is going to remove all the dryness from your scalp and give your hair a lot of shine and, you know, double the effect of the yogurt basically. So we are putting these 2 power ingredients together. And also what I have with me here is a vitamin E capsule. So this capsule, I'm just going to cut a little from top and I'm going to add it into the yogurt and the oil mix that I have. Where vitamin E really, you know, gives you protein. It provides the hair with protein basically. So your hair does not fall, it becomes stronger, your hair bonds become really strong and it gives you a really nice effect for your hair. Another alternative to vitamin E is that you can use aloe vera gel because or egg also, because both of them have protein and that will give you the same effect. I wanted to use vitamin E today, so I'm using that. But if you don't have vitamin E capsules, which you can actually easily get available at a chemist, you can also always use aloe vera gel or egg and that will give you the same effect of the protein. So I have everything mixed over here and I'm going to make a really nice paste of this, like a really nice one, so I can apply it all over my hair. Now that I have this with me, which is a big, you know, mask that I have made over here because my hair is really big and thick and it requires that treatment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first start applying this on my scalp and give my scalp a really nice massage with it. So I'm going to put it all over my scalp because scalp is the most important when it comes to hair care. And once I have this mask all over my head, guys, all you can see I have put a really thick layer. Like, it is genuinely so heavy my head right now with the entire mask, but it's going to give me amazing benefits like I have mentioned before. So I'm just going to tie this. I have applied it even on my middle section of the hair, guys, if you all can see. So it's not only the scalp, I have literally applied it all over and I am just going to make it into a really tight bun and leave it for a good 1 hour or more than that, depending on how much time I have on my hands, but at least gives her a minimum 1 hour because it really helps and it really, you know, kind of immerses into your hair and gives you the benefits. So this was it, guys. This was the hair mask and I hope you all try it. If you all do try it, please do leave in your comments and let me know what you all thought about it. It will really help you all. And if you all are watching this video, please do subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another hairdo with Balenciaga video very soon. Till then, bye bye.